Here are my G-Scale hand-built Orange Line Transit subway trains. Exclusive look. They have lights underneath the body in the chassis area where the trucks are located. You'll be able to see the trucks lit up, underbelly. Bluetooth capability, Bluetooth sound system right there. They also have suspension, tie rod ends, torsion bars. Everything was built and fabricated by me. The front plates do come off. I have not put the couplers on yet. To get into the electrical, the lights are not on. Also, I'm building a upper level elevated train track, stainless steel. This is an exclusive look at a hand built aluminum chassis and bodies with stainless steel screws, train design. All this is freehand. All these trains are powered. They're all powered. Every last one of them are powered. Uh, they have double motors in each train. Each truck is powered. Again, those face plates do come off. So just giving you an exclusive look at what the train looks like. It's my own personal design. These stickers are basically duct tape. A duct tape design. I have different colors of duct tape: black, orange, red, white. I would be building 4 of these trains. Boston, Massachusetts Orange Line transit trains, historical trains. Also, I'll be building 4 CTA Chicago trains. Okay, so just giving you guys an exclusive look. These trains was built in 2026 of January. Okay, I completed 2 cars. I still have to do the lighting and bumpers and couplers. They do have suspension. As you can see, it can be really bouncy. They are very heavy. These trains are very heavy. Nothing cheap about them. They're not plastic. Air conditioning unit up top, heating system. That's optional. So they're Velcro. I can pull them on and pull them off. As you can see, I will be numbering them, putting letters in the windows: Oak Grove, Forest Hills. So just giving you guys an exclusive look. I will have to readjust the windows, the door windows in this first train that I built. This is the very first train. If you look at the doors, the windows aren't that great. I didn't do a great job on the windows. I don't think so. Now, when I get to the next train, you'll see the difference. There's the next train right there. If you look at them both, you can see the difference. Still a good looking door. I thought this one was more appropriate. But it appears that this train here seems a little bit more, I don't know, noticeable. Design looks a little more attractive on the doors. See the difference on the doors right there? Easy fix or correction. I can easily correct that door window. Just being lazy, haven't done it yet. These things are not easy, man. They're time consuming. All right. First exclusive look right here. Hand built G scale Orange Line trains. Thank you.